Hi everyone, it's Chloe. Welcome back to another video. Today I have a parcel from Rebel Ink Co. So let's get inside and see what it is. I love the tape that's been used here. That's really nice. I always say it's these little things that shops add that just make their parcels just that little bit more special rather than just sending it out in an envelope. Okay. Move that other way and see what we've got inside. Okay, let's move that to one side. So first up, we've got this washi tape. So this was the Planentine Planner Festival washi. So that's it there. Ooh, does it change colour? That looks pink. Oh yeah, it's like a gradient, pink and purple. Very nice. And then we've got this little parcel here. That's really nice. I love the fact that it's been put in this envelope. That's really cute. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the freebies. So we've got the March freebie, really nice. I love the colours that are on that. The colour combination of that green with the leopard print, really nice. Or cheetah print, leopard print, I can never know which one it is. But yeah, it's really nice with that. I did use Becky's PR code, so I got Becky's freebie. So you get the nice currencies on the side, and then some nice little quotes there that can go with it nicely. Okay, first kit that we got. This is a Hobonichi Weeks kit. There you go, we got the butterfly one. So you've got your Monday to Sunday, your boxes, some deco. These are the boxes for to-dos. You've got this week, a nice box here. We can do like planning or whatever you want it. I usually tend to use that box for writing in lunch ideas or dinner plans. So yeah, that's a full kit there that you got there. You got the washi strips at the bottom as well. Really nice. Let's move that to one side. And then we've got this one. Let's open this one up. Okay, the next one I got is this one. This is Read More Books. This is a Hobonichi Week kit again, exactly the same layout, just with different designs. This is really cute. Look at those designs on there. And the cat as well, very nice. The colours are really pretty on this. This is a really nice neutral one. So there's that one. And I believe this one matches the Planentine kits. Yes, it does. Okay, so this is the Hobonichi Weeks kit. There we go. Exactly the same layout, which is really nice. Keep it consistent, just with different deco, different colour and different themes. I really like these on here. Very nice. Okay, so that's them. They're the Hobonichi Weeks. And then I bought this Hobonichi Cousin kit. Okay, so you've got your days of the week. You've got an extra one here as well, which is quite nice. You've got some of the bills, habit trackers, some tabs, some boxes there. Looks like you've got 8 boxes, more than enough for the full week. Then there's some functional boxes, washi tapes, some little doodle icons at the bottom. Okay, and we've got some more functionals here. So we've got some glitter headers. I love the fact that it's gradient, very nice. You've got Monday through to Sunday, some to-do tabs, or what I use for to-dos. I don't know what they're actually supposed to be used for, but I use those. I'll write my to-dos next to them and then tick them off as I go. More boxes here, some more deco. And that's that. And then I got a big deco sheet as well to go with it. So that is everything that I got from this planner haul. I really love Rebel Ink Co stickers. They're really nice, really good quality. Yeah, you can't go wrong with them, and they're really good price as well. So there's Hobonichi Weeks, Hobonichi Cousins, the freebie, and the washi tape that I got. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye everyone.